Dear brothers and sisters, I hope as I was proclaiming the gospel to you a while ago, the Lord would not sound to all of us alarming, or shall we say fearful, as He was reminding His disciples and is also reminding us today. Pero sa totoo lamang po, nagpapakatotoo lang naman si Jesus sa atin. And what is He truthful about? That once we get to embrace a particular mission in life, shall we say a vocation that we all offer to God, we shall face acceptance and hate. We shall also face consolation and even the pains of desolation. We shall also face pains and also the support of people. As what the Lord said, if they persecuted me, they will also persecute you. If they kept my word, they will also keep your word. And it is likely happening now. Even this faith that we all love and profess is at the brink of people, for people to face, or even for people to turn their back. Siguro po mag-imbita lang tayo na magsisimba. Mag-imbita lang tayo ng magdadasal. Buwan ho ng Mayo ngayon. Magro-rosary kada hapon. Well, people will accept. People would not mind either. When we teach others the faith, there will be bashing, there will be comments, but there will also be praises. There will be the support from people telling you, go on and continue with that. Pero marahil matatanong po ninyo, Father, kung ganito lamang po ang haharapin ng isang alagad ni Jesus sa buhay na ito, why risk at all? Kung aawayin lang naman po ako, bakit pa ako papasok dyan? Kung lagi lang pala akong pagsasabihan, why be a disciple of God? If we will just be hated and loved one day after another, why take on the call to be a disciple? The answer, my dear friends, lies at the very first words of the Lord in today's gospel. The Lord chose us out of the world. Pinili tayo ng Diyos. At hindi lang tayo pinili, because when God chooses, He also blesses. Kakambal ng pagpili ng Diyos ang pagbuhos ng Diyos ng kanyang pagpapala sa kanyang mga pinipili. Kahit na awayin, talikuran, hindi pansinin o kalimutan ng tao o ng mundo yung pinili ng Diyos, may lakas itong tinawag na to galing sa Diyos at may biyaya siya mula sa Diyos. It is not only for us particularly called to this vocation. All of us, every day, would embrace a particular vocation, a particular mission that sometimes people would hate and people would love. God chose you and He would bless you to strengthen you. And dear friends, if you are thinking of doing something for God, be it as a church servant, may it also be a simple evangelization tool through the internet for charity, or simply working and being faithful to who you are right now, then by all means, go on. We do not have to worry. We might face those who would hate us. We might face those who would love us as well. But at everyone's heart lies this one great confidence that will push us forward and inspire us as well. And that is the Lord blessing His chosen one. The Lord protecting us, the Lord assisting us, and the Lord Himself supporting us.